Welcome to Multilogin, your solution for undetectable IP rotation and data scraping. Data scraping helps gather large amounts of information for market research, trend monitoring, and task automation, offering otherwise inaccessible insights. However, challenges such as CAPTCHA, dynamic content, and IP blocking can hinder efficient data extraction, especially if you have poorly designed IP and fingerprint masking tools. But with Multilogin, these challenges become a thing of the past. Multilogin offers undetectable IP rotation, ensuring your scraping activities remain anonymous and uninterrupted. In this video, I am going to show you how to use our quick browser profile and built-in top-level residential proxy to scrape data from Amazon. Here we are at our home page, and let's log into our Multilogin X application. So we are inside the application, and let's press the Quick Profile button here. Now we are provided the information before we launch a one-time disposable quick profile. Here we can select the country, region, and city for our Multilogin proxy that the quick browser profile will launch with. However, at this time, we're not going to do this from the UI since we are doing data scraping. Let's close this window. I will show you how you could do this through our robust API with a Python script. And as you can see, I have the script here. Let's take a close look at how it works in general. So we have this function to create a Multilogin proxy with your defined values. Then we will launch a quick browser profile with the Multilogin proxy we created. Run automation function will visit Amazon to extract data. Close profile will then close your quick profile after we get the data. In the environment file, we place into our token string the browser type and proxy information. And as you can see, I am going to use proxies of Californian IP. All right, let's run the script. As you can see, it says the proxy has been created, and a quick profile has been launched. The browser profile will first open the IP checker page of Multilogin, where you can find the IP address and location info of your browser profile. Next, it will be heading towards Amazon.com. Then it will click the Bestsellers button and find the category of automotive. Now, we are in the page of all categories, and the bot will select automotive. We will then get the information of the top 20 items in this category. Now, we are in this category, and there are all the bestsellers here. Let's scroll down a bit. From the terminal, we can see that we successfully get the information from the certain IP, and the data has been saved into an Excel file. Let's check what info we have got. All right, we have the title of the item, rating of the item, number of ratings, and price. Let's close it and launch another quick profile with a new IP. Let's also change the category to appliances. Run the script again. Again, a Multilogin proxy has been created, and a quick profile is launched. And we have another IP address here which is different from the previous one. We are on Amazon homepage again. The bot will select appliances category and get the information of the top 20 products. Now, we are inside this category, and the bot is going to extract the data for us. All right, we have the information stored to another Excel file. Let's check it out. So we have the information for these items, and we get it from another IP address by using our Multilogin proxy and quick browser profile. That's how you can utilize Multilogin to scrape data stealthily. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping you succeed.